Hi everyone, my name is Alex Akins and I will be hitting you with a presentation on how our media has changed over the years. I had the opportunity of getting input from my grandfather, Robert Reed, who has witnessed the first-hand change of media over several decades of his life. So moving here into the introduction, Johannes Gutenberg invented the printing press in 1436, and since then media has really undergone several different transitions until it's grown into what it is today. It has changed a lot. We've seen different technologies come and go, and we've seen new ones pop up. Television, one of the most significant changes of which my grandpa remembered occurred was the invention of the television in 1927. There is some debate on how many different inventors kind of played a role in inventing the TV, but that's a discussion for another time. So TV placed news directly into living rooms around the country. Families could gather around, watch the evening news. Broadcast journalism, which was created for radio broadcast, was retrofitted and then used in front of the camera. And you saw the birth of the American news anchor, and also some instant news. TVs were affordable enough to be owned by most American households as well, which made it a very accessible form of communication. My grandfather also commented on the creation of social media. This is definitely one of the newest additions of the media family to our society. This has been made possible due to the internet. Different platforms have really come and gone, especially quickly over the past couple of years. MySpace was one of the first and most popular platforms to come out, and today it is, I don't even know if it's in service anymore. Definitely not used as much. Facebook is the largest, 3.9 billion users worldwide. TikTok has been the newest addition that we've seen with the younger generation. And it is kind of nice to mention that different age demographics prefer different platforms. My grandfather is very comfortable with Facebook. He's able to connect with all sorts of different classmates that he had from when he graduated. So it is really interesting to see how different generations have kind of adapted to use the latest in communications technology. Especially with seeing how comfortable he is, I think it's great that this form of media has really helped keep people connected. And this has also been made possible through mobile devices. Everybody's always on their phone, staying connected 24/7. You have the internet in your pocket, really quick and easy to check in on everybody, and well as update them on what you're up to in your day-to-day life. These platforms have fueled the need to be connected. They've lowered our attention spans as well. Now it's actually lower than a goldfish. Yet keeping us connected 24/7 is something that most newspaper as well as television broadcasts could not do. So it has been interesting to watch that unfold in my lifetime, and especially in my grandfather's. So in conclusion, media has undergone many different shapes and sizes. It has been created, and media will always be around. We will see it continue to evolve in the next decade. Different changes will come and go. Social media could very well be a thing of the past soon. Users of different forms of media will also continue to change and evolve, just as my grandparents have. We will also find different ways to communicate, and I'm sure that we will put those to good use. Ever since drawings on the cave walls, humans have a need to communicate, and we will always find a way, is what I believe. Thank you all for listening to that presentation. I'm glad I could enlighten you a little bit on some information of what I've learned through the years and sitting and listening to my grandfather as well. Thanks.